Welcome all to the DAS Test Proctoring Request tutorial. I would like to thank you for watching and following along as I demonstrate our new test request system. This should in theory take no more than 3 to 4 minutes of your time. If you need to take your exam or quizzes at our office to submit a request, go to the DAS webpage and under Test Proctoring and Alternative Formatting, there is a yellow square which says DAS Test Proctoring Request Form. Also keep in mind you need to use Duo to access the system as well as be registered with the DAS office. Now that we got some logistics out of the way, let's move back into the process of navigating a test request. Once you are authenticated in the form, you will choose your class from the course list. It will automatically populate your instructor name and email address. Next, you want to give your request a name in the test name description box. Examples include Exam 1, Quiz 2, Midterm, Final, etc. Date of exam with DAS is the day you are requesting to take the exam at our office. Keep in mind, we are open Monday through Friday, excluding holidays. We cannot proctor exams on university recognized study days. All test requests must be placed 7 days in advance of the requested exam date per our test proctoring policy. Make sure you are in the correct month of your requested exam. As you can see, the system only lets you select a day 7 days out. However, if you do need to request an exam in less than 7 days, contact our office at das-testproctoring@umich.edu or by phone at 313-593-5310 for any late requests that are less than 7 days as soon as possible. Start time with DAS is the time you wish to start your exam with our office. Note, test proctoring hours are 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. You will want to make sure you have enough time to finish your exam, including any additional time you may be granted to end by 4:30 p.m. Which leads us into the next box, time class receives. This is how much time your professor is giving the class to take the assessment. This is an important piece of information to have to make sure you are scheduling both within our testing hours and getting your full eligible time. Next, please let us know if the exam is online or not. The Accommodations Needed field pulls through all your test accommodations. You are required to select at least one test accommodation. A common one would be additional time on tests or distraction-reduced testing area. If you would like to add another test accommodation, click the Add Another Accommodation field. Your test accommodations appear. For example, I can select Read for a Test as needed. If you realize you do not have or need a second test accommodation during this particular exam, make sure you remove the additional boxes or the form will not submit. The comments box allows you to send a message to DAS staff and your professor if needed. Once you are done, click the yellow Submit button. Shortly after, you will receive a form response email for your requested exam.